Hello and welcome to Kit Plus. Now today we're going to give you a quick overview of some projects and activities we've got going on in this month and going on to 2024. So we'll start with international shows. First, of course, we'll be heading off to ISE in Barcelona, for which we're also a media partner. Now we love the venue at ISE and we'll be touring the halls, creating many news videos from exhibitor booths along the way. So do look out for the reports coming out in early February.
Yeah, and hot off the heels of ISE, we have a huge Kit Plus auction running live on the 6th and 7th of February. This is a major auction and comprises of surplus assets from the migration of the BT Sports studio in London, and also due to the relocation of the Panelux operation in the UK, the surplus lighting fixtures from their motion picture and live events visual effects stock going under the hammer.
Now the catalogues are live now for bidding, and the auctions will close with a live streamed event from the 6th of February. Now if you're bidding on the auction, make sure you either put in your maximum bid before the live auction starts, or that you're watching the live stream on the day of the auction.
We've got big news for the Kit Plus show this year as well, and who better to tell you all about it than our very own event director, Matt Snow. Hi Matt. So what are the plans for 2024?
Hi guys, yeah, big plans. We've kicked off the year in great form, and we've got our dates and venues already lined up. So first off, 18th of June, we are in Glasgow at the SEC, and doubling our footprint of what we had back in October. So really excited. We've got lots of work to do for that, but already making some fantastic ground. Then we're heading down to our synonymous venue in Manchester Media City on 24th of October. And then finally, rounding up the year, 27th of November at the iconic Oval Cricket Ground, which is going to be our new home. So lots of planning, lots to do, but really getting stuck into it and can't wait for a fantastic 2024.
And a new logo as well.
Yes, absolutely. Logo looks fantastic. We thought it was time for a bit of a fresh approach. There's some new people in the team, and we've got a great new plan and strategy in place for 2024 with the shows. So it really reflects, I think, who we are and where we're going with the shows. And I'm really proud and excited about what the future holds. And hopefully everyone that works with us feels the same as well. So you'll see us at all of the shows, logo on shirts and kitted out.
The next time we see you will probably be in Barcelona?
Yeah, can't wait. I'm not sure if I'm getting the same flight as you guys. Probably not. But I won't be certainly getting the 5 o'clock one on the way back like you guys. So I'm a bit more civilised than that. But can't wait. Lots of people talking about it, and it's going to be with us in no time.
Thanks, Matt. Do keep an eye on the ever-changing website for all the news from Kit Plus Show. Now, you may recall we launched a new website for Kit Plus last year, and you can check out daily news updates, our video channel, and many more free resources. Plus, of course, the classified section of Kit for Sale. And for 2024, we now offer 5 adverts for free. They repeat every 3 months. So if you've got any surplus gear to sell, you can head over to kitplus.com/for sale to get started.
Right, we also have a new partnership to announce. That's with MTSS, the Media Tech Sustainability Series. We've been helping them create a series of videos demystifying the world of sustainability, specifically for the technology sector. So keep an eye out for those. You can keep a track of what we're doing on LinkedIn, of course, or sign up to our regular email updates. The links will be in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.